Hello guys, hello everyone, my name is Daniel Anthony. Welcome back to another Make Money Online video edition. In today's video, I want to quickly talk about a very important Make Money Online topic, which was actually requested by one of my subscribers and as well my viewer. His name is Roland. Roland is from Port Harcourt. So sorry guys, I haven't been too active recently. I've been down somehow, I've been sick somehow, kind of feverish because of the change of weather condition here in Nigeria. We're actually experiencing some kind of rainy season, so I have been down. So Roland have been the person contacting me since then, checking up on me, asking me how my health have been doing, if I've been feeling well or not. So he's kind of a very dedicated and a very trustworthy subscriber and viewer. So in the line of checking up on me, he actually requested for this particular video, asking me the best CPA network or the best CPA website that anyone, mostly a beginner or a newbie who is kind of trying to start affiliate marketing or trying to start CPA affiliate marketing, because CPA marketing is more like affiliate marketing for. So Roland, this video is actually dedicated to you. Roland is from Port Harcourt, Nigeria to be precise. So Roland, if you are watching this video is for you. I'm giving you a big shout out in this video. So without wasting much of our time, if today is actually your first time here, kindly hit on the subscribe button and as well turn on the bell notification icon, so that whenever I publish a brand new Make Money Online video, you always be the first to get notified. You can as well check out my bunch of Make Money Online videos that are published in time past and in recent times, because I do publish Make Money Online videos almost on a daily basis. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into the video where I'll be revealing the top 3 best affiliate network that anyone can actually start making money with and start earning commission. Okay, so what's actually CPA? CPA actually means cost per action. Okay, you actually earn commission for taking simple action or for drawing simple leads to a particular product or to a particular software or whatsoever you get to find on this CPA website or on this CPA network. So let me just quickly review this top 3 best CPA network that anyone can get started with and start earning hundreds and thousands of dollars from the online space. Okay, so the first one actually is Mouse Bounty. Mouse Bounty is a very good one that I recommend for everyone. Mouse Bounty has a lot of visitors. Let me quickly show you the total number of visitors Mouse Bounty do receive on a monthly basis, so that you'll be very rest assured and you'll be convinced that this CPA network is a very unique one. As you can see, Mouse Bounty, I think as of July 2020, Mouse Bounty actually got up to 885,000 visitors per month. Okay, so these guys are really hitting it big. So people are really here, trying to make money on a daily basis. Okay, this says welcome to Mouse Bounty, performance marketing that achieves your definition of result. Okay, advertise with Mouse Bounty. Okay, you can actually advertise with Mouse Bounty if you have a product that you want to sell, or a product that you want to promote. You can actually advertise with Mouse Bounty. It could be a software that you want people to download and make use of. You can actually showcase it here on Mouse Bounty and let people download it for you. Okay, that's if you are the one that want to advertise and pay people some commission while they do this. Okay, it could be a physical product that you bring here to Mouse Bounty and people promote them for you, and then you pay them some little commission, then you make your money as well, they make their money, and everybody goes home happy. Okay, Mouse Bounty is a very nice one. So if you come down a little bit, one amazing thing about all the CPA network that I'll be revealing today in this video is that they do have a customer care service. Okay, but I won't be walking you guys through the process of sign up, because the process of signing up to this CPA marketing networks is sometimes rigorous. So I need to take my time in my upcoming videos and walk you guys through the basic steps on how you can actually sign up and get approved, because sometimes when signing up to this CPA network you might get rejected. Okay, you might not get approved. That's if you do not follow the simple basic steps or the right basic steps. Okay, that's why I will be revealing all of that in an upcoming video. Okay, so that I will take my time and review the whole steps or the whole process bit by bit, so that you get to understand everything and how you can go about it even as a total newbie. Okay, Mouse Bounty is a very nice one. If you come down a little bit, you'll see that Mouse Bounty have been trusted by top partners like by Norton, Alibaba.com, imagine, Backboss, Microsoft, Apple, American Express, GoDaddy, H&R Blocks, MCAFE, Nutrisystem, Shutterstock, Square, and so on and so forth. Okay, they have here you can use proprietary software. These are all stuff that you can get to find here on Mouse Bounty with a dedicated compliance and committed account managers. Okay, these guys have account managers. That's to assure that whatever commission you earn here promoting stuff for people on the Mouse Bounty CPA network or the Mouse Bounty CPA marketing website, your money is guaranteed, your commission is guaranteed. Okay, all you just have to do here is to hit on get started and follow the basic sign up process. But don't worry guys, because I'll be walking you through that in my upcoming videos. So the next one I'll be revealing actually is actually known as Peerfly. Peerfly is also a nice CPA marketing network. Okay, it has been trusted by so many top leading companies in the world. So you can advertise here as well on Peerfly, just like people do visit ClickBank and other affiliate marketing network. But here, the one I'll be talking about today is actually CPA marketing. Okay, CPA marketing is somehow different from affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing basically talk about selling products for people and earning commission. But here on the CPA network, there are other stuff that you can get to do in order to earn money. But I'll really be diving deeper into those sections today in this video, because I want us to move as fast as possible. Okay, so they have customer care managers that you can reach out to and explain your challenges in one way or the other. But if you find anything challenging or anything difficult about this video, just reach out to me and I'll walk you through the basics there. But if it has to do with the sign up process, do not worry guys, I'll reveal all of that in an upcoming video, because the sign up process is rigorous and it is stressful. Okay, so let's talk about the website or the best affiliate network that you can make use of as a newbie or as someone who have already been in the CPA network community or in the CPA network marketing system or platforms before. Okay, these ones that I'll be revealing in this video are so unique and you can try them out. Okay, if you come down a little bit, you'll see that under affiliate, you can advertise here and you can as well be an affiliate here on the Peerfly CPA network. Okay, they have an affiliate manager. Okay, an affiliate manager that will help you through anything that tends to be a challenge for you, a custom tracking platform, over 2,000 live offers. Okay, you have offers that you can actually earn commissions from, guaranteed top payout. Your payment is guaranteed and it happens fast whenever you request for a payout. Accelerated payment option, reward programs and content, free training and tools. Okay, you can as well get free training and tools here on the Peerfly CPA network. Okay, so for advertisers, for those of you who are advertisers that want to advertise your stocks, your products, your software here on the Peerfly network, the affiliate network is superb. Lead generation, you can get leads here on the Peerfly network. Okay, flat rate sales, over 8 million conversion. Okay, so unique and so amazing. 75k plus active publishers in over 165 countries. Okay, so many countries are actually allowed here on the Peerfly network, so you can get started if your country is not restricted. But if your country is restricted, you can reach out to me so that we can trash it out as fast as possible. No monthly fee. Okay, it's somehow free. No monthly fee. Okay, dedicated account managers and full-time compliance department. Okay, so this actually for Peerfly, and Peerfly have been trusted by top companies or popular brands we are promoting. Okay, if you want to know the popular brands that are actually promoting their stuffs, their products and their software here on Peerfly, Uber is there, Checkmate is there, Lucrate is there, MCAF is there, CBS is there, Emboss Pay is there, Fiverr is there. Okay, Beyond.com is there, and so on and so forth. There are top companies, or there are top websites or top brands that are already promoting their brand here on Peerfly. Okay, you can promote your brand here on Peerfly, and you can as well carry out leads or carry out tasks for people who are already promoting their brand here on Peerfly in order to earn commission. Okay, if you are that online hustler who is looking for the best CPA network to actually make money with. Okay, Peerfly have always been devoted to compliance and sending top quality traffic. Okay, they are highly responsive and easy to work with. Instant checkmate. Okay, it's very simple to work with Peerfly. You do not get hectic process to go through, or do not get hectic payment system or whatsoever. Whatever you are doing here on Peerfly is 100% guaranteed and safe. Okay, you have nothing to lose. Okay, the last one I'll actually be talking about is actually Fire Ads. Okay, Fire Ads is also a mind-blowing CPA network. But don't worry guys, these 3 CPA networks that I'm actually reviewing in this video today, I'll be as well creating a video on how you can sign up to them in an upcoming video, because the sign up process is somehow rigorous. So don't worry guys, the video is kind of coming up very soon and very fast. Okay, you create a free account today and join the best affiliate network. Okay, affiliating with Fire Ads is free. Okay, you don't have to pay anything, no upfront investment, no upfront cost, no registration or sign up charges or fees. Okay, it's free, very free. Okay, Fire Ads is a place for professionals, as it is for people who make their first steps in affiliation and earning online. Okay, let's work together and expand your business. Join us today. Okay, if you want to expand your business or you want to expand your income online, Fire Ads is a recommended one. Okay, just go over to their website and type in firead.online firead.org/en and you get started. Okay, let me take you on a quick walk around on the FireAd website so that you get to know a little bit info about the FireAd network. Okay, so our business, how to start earning online. Okay, if you want to know how to start earning online, FireAd is an affiliate network, okay, which consists not only of publishers. This affiliate network is not a place where you only find people promoting or publishing their system, their product, or whatsoever that they have that they want to draw lead on in order to earn money for themselves, as well as the product or the software creators. You as well can help them draw this lead and earn commission from any lead you draw to their software or to their system. Okay, advertisers from all around the world are accepted here on the FireAd affiliate network. Okay, our main goal is to provide high quality advertisement that would bring remarkable outcomes. It is the reason we are trusted by thousands of partners. These numbers has been constantly increasing since our debut on affiliate market. Wow, this was so amazing. We do our best to provide full support to our partners to succeed further together. Okay, so they have a customer care service that help you through any challenge you might tend to encounter on their network. Okay, how to start earning online. Okay, this is the section where most people might find it confusing and frustrating. Okay, the first step is to actually register an account with FireAd, which is absolutely free. Right after registration, you gain access to the eye-catchy user panel with all the important information and necessary tools that will help you start earning as a CPA affiliate marketer or as a CPA affiliate online promoter. Okay, it's very, very simple. Okay, affiliate campaigns. If you come down, you'll see that they have various affiliate campaigns. Okay, do you want to know our dashboard better, blah blah blah, and all of that? They have so many things that you can actually benefit from. How you find your affiliate campaign to start earning money. Now all you have to do is to share your unique link. Okay, this is where you need to understand how to earn as a CPA or as an online CPA marketer. Okay, all of this CPA network or all of this CPA website that I'm actually reviewing in this video today all have the same promotional system, which is whatever product or whatever software or whatever brand that you want to promote for a particular publisher or for a particular advertiser. All you just have to do is get the link and promote it on whatever social media platform or on whatever means you have for promotion. Okay, and earn your commission. Okay, it says, okay, let me quickly walk you through the process of earning here on this FireAd CPA network. Have you found your affiliate campaign to start earning money? Now all you have to do is to share your unique link to the campaign. Okay, every time a user completes a lead, you can receive up to 350 euros. This is also amazing. Okay, of commission. Okay, the amount varies for every campaign. Check campaign details. Okay, if you want to promote any product or any brand for any advertisers, you might earn even more than 350 euro or less. Okay, it varies. Okay, so you have to go for whichever product suits you or whichever product you can promote best on this CPA affiliate network. Okay, so withdrawing your commission is very simple. As soon as we complete verification, because they have to confirm verification if you actually draw the leads or if the lead was drawn by your affiliate link, which is very simple for them to do. You do not have to undergo any rigorous process in order to get your commission or in order to withdraw your commission. Okay, you can as well develop your skill by sharing your own experience and get new one with the best users in our groups, discussion board or chat user panel. Okay, they actually have a discussion panel or a discussion board, more like a discussion forum on the fireads.org website. Okay, so it's very simple to get started with these guys. Okay, and FireAds have been established since the year 2011. This is also amazing. They have been existing like for more than a decade now, and they have over 220,000 registered publishers. Okay, so you have lots and lots of brands to actually promote here on the FireAd website or on the FireAd CPA network. Okay, and they have paid over $10 million to publishers, okay, and to promoters as well. So these guys are really hitting it big when it comes to CPA marketing. And if you want to join the team and earn from this CPA network, you have all it takes and you have everything that you can use for hitting them hard and making the most amount of money from this network, even as a total newbie or as a total beginner. And the top companies have actually published their brand or published their brand is their products here on the FireAd network. Companies like AliExpress, Cash Group, GearBest, Alago, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you can jump into the FireAd system and start earning money as an online affiliate marketer today. Okay, but don't worry guys, I will teach you how you can sign up for these 3 affiliate network, which ranges from the Mars Bounty, the Peerfly, and as well thefirearts.org. okay, so it's very simple. Don't worry guys, in an upcoming video I'll reveal how you can sign up and I'll walk you through the basic steps, which is somehow rigorous, but don't worry, after teaching you how you can do it, I believe you can do it. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, with that being said, do not forget guys, my name still remains Daniel Anthony. If you haven't subscribed, if today is actually your first time of bumping across my channel, all I do here is teach people how to make money online the simplest, fastest and easiest way, even as a total newbie or as a total beginner. Okay, you can as well share this video to your loved ones, your family, your relatives, your friends who are actually looking for the best, easiest and smart and cheap way to make money online. Okay, so drop your comment in the comment section below if you find anything challenging, and if you want to reach out to me as well, let's say you have a question, you have a challenge about any of my make money online video, I have all my handlers in any video description that you come in contact with or you come across. I have you can follow me on my Facebook page, my Facebook group. You can as well reach out to me via email, you can reach out to me via my mobile call line, you can as well reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so with that being said, I just have to wrap up this video here as fast as possible. Until we meet again in my next video, where I'll as well be talking about how to make money online, I just have to say bye bye guys. I love you all. Peace.